May we clap a photo for may we clap the hands for them as they are taking a photo, colleagues. Thank you very much. I'll start so long in the following category. Colleagues, can we lower down a little bit? The best performing teacher for CAT, quintile 4 to 5, is coming from Unisi Secondary School. It's S. The best performing teacher for CAT for quintiles 1 to 3 is coming from Heatherdale, and it's L. Makoni. The best performing teacher in IT, none of our teachers won that category. The best performing teachers for CAT in special schools are coming from Marty Duplessis, and it's C. Fantoner and R. Fenter. The best performing teacher in consumer studies for special schools is coming from Rosenhof, and is S.J. Otu. S.J. Otu from Rosenhof. I can see Meta, you are excited. The best performing teachers in mathematical literacy in our special schools are coming from Marty Duplessis, it's M. Fenter and S. Stewart. I'm going to pause for a photo here, colleagues.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, thank you, Dr. Mafozani, and can we have a representative from LJ Excellent Solutions? We pause for a photo here. Let's pause for a photo. And thank you, Dr. Mafozani.
Colleagues, may we clap hands for these teachers?
And today, we are joined by a representative from LJ Excellent Solutions.
Colleagues, you see, they call me Iron Lady because they say I am, the Iron Lady. I don't know why, but I was given that name by Ntate Hove, the same program director. I thought, he was naughty, but now I understand. Colleagues, we are coming to a team that makes us shine as a district. And the reason why I was saying, please, let's give the recognition to our teachers, Our teachers, because they are our foot soldiers that make sure that as Motheo, we get the best results. As schools, we get the best results. As a district, we get the best results. We are coming to a category of subject advisors. This is a team that calls me mother, Sis Andy. I don't know what else they call me, but I have a lot of names. Others, I'm not going to share them with you, colleagues. And I'm going to call the best performing subject advisors. The first category is accounting. The two ladies are Miss Andrews and U.E. Gabi. The two ladies are responsible for accounting, with achieved a pass rate of 85.7% pass rate. Thank you. The next subject is business studies. It has two ladies as well. They achieved a pass rate of 88.9%. It's MC Mehlo and SK Mutabi. Then we have a lady that kind of wins all the prizes. And that is a lady that is heading our drama subjects. It's Karina van der Merwe. She's taking for drama at 100%, 70% average. Dance, 100% pass rate, 70% average. Design, 100% pass rate, 70% average. Music, 100% pass rate and 70% average. The next one is Ntate Kongo for geography. Geography achieved 92.5%. Somebody must come and take an award for him. The next one is Ntate Masowa for history. It achieved 92.3%. And the next category is for engineering, graphic and design that achieved 90 rate, and it's in Ntate Tulo. We have 3 subject advisors for life sciences, and we have a thorn among roses, and the subject achieved 88.4%. We have Cecilia van Heerden, we have Mr. D.L. Chaga, and we have Miss M.E. Wesi. I'm going to pause for a photo here, colleagues. Thank you. Colleagues, I'm going to mention, thank you. As they are taking a photo, colleagues, I'm going to mention that life sciences, they are the first in the country. As Motheo, we are the first in the country, colleagues. Thank you very much. I'm going to start with the next category of subject advisors. And here we have 1 thorn among roses again for mathematical literacy that achieved a pass rate of 88.8%. We have the ladies that are helping us here on the stage. We have Nete, and we have Dr. R. Rinette van der Merwe, and the thorn is Mr. Sitole. For Sesotho first additional language, we have the following team that is made up of thorns only. We have KJ Pahlane and MW Maile. Ntate Moholo. For isiXhosa home language, we are having Sisioli Matiso. For life orientation, colleagues,